Okay, it's almost 10:30 p.m. and got my little AA. It's kind of like my AA, Alcoholics Anonymous candle, and it's not actually that. It was given to me by a friend, Tina, many years ago. And I thought how ironic because at that time I was definitely focusing some intention and time to AA, the 12 steps. And it just so happened that this was shaped like the AA. Okay, I'm looking at that light over there. I gotta fix it because I want it on motion only instead of solid, just steady light. And baby's laying down. Good girl. Let's see. Okay, got a little light on my focus now. Good on my camera. I want to fix that light over there. It should be going off and on. This is a motion light right here. This little bitty one. That's not motion. It's just, I don't know what you call that. It turns colors and all kind of pretty stuff. So turn this flash off now. Off. Want it off. Well, it's not off. How do I? Okay, I want it off. Okay, now it's off. Yeah, that motion light's working like I wanted. That one, for some reason, got locked into steady light. I don't want that. So I'm working on some things out here. It's such a nice, peaceful night. And my light, apparently, on my umbrella, it's totally died now. It's broken. It don't work no more. It's not working. It totally stopped working. I don't know if I can fix it. But from the last storm, the way it got whipped around so much, I put it back, flipped it over like it should be, where it can get solar power energy from the sun. But despite me doing that, tonight, it wouldn't come on, the period. Just total blackness when I tried to push the button, turn it on. Now I have a bunch of old CDs. I'm going to be putting lines on so I can hang these to discourage deer. They supposedly, they don't like the shiny things, and I got one out there hanging now and flipping around, and when it hits a certain light, it's definitely not something that I guess, at least one side on each of these is very shiny. Supposedly, that's not something deer like at all, which is good. I'm going to hang them in strategic areas. Back here and up near the front where I have, I'm going to be having hopefully plants, flowers and stuff that I don't want to mess them with. So, that's what I am doing right now. Can't see myself at all. Well, barely. Let me try again. What happens when I try to do... Oh, it's back on. Okay. But on selfie... No, the little flashlight goes off automatically. So let me see if I can fix this back like I wanted it, like it was actually. Turn that back off again. Oh, okay, now it's off. Let's see. Try this once more. Okay, let me try this way. There we go. Now it goes completely black. Yes, that's what I want. Okay, that's the motion detector I want. I don't want to go down to dim. I want to go down to completely off. So now, got that like I want it. And since it's so nice and quiet and the bugs don't seem to be bothering me too much, plus I just put citronella oil in there. Citronella lamp oil. That has citronella lamp oil. Hopefully bugs don't like it, won't like it, they'll stay away. I got my baton flashlight, like police baton. I got citronella, if you will, hanging thing. I got this motion light here. It says it's gonna go off. Yeah. And the nice thing about this, let me see if I can I didn't bring my any stand thing out here to sit my phone on. Let me see. Okay, temporarily use my big soda here. Here's a scissors. Let's see here. So what I really like about this baton flashlight, one of the things I really like about it, okay, maybe it's better if I try to, well, what about put it on selfie and have enough light? No, I can't, I don't have a way to put enough light on my face right now, I don't think. But maybe I can just hold this like this. Turn this. Nice blade. It's a nice blade. Don't know if this is going to show up. Nice. Now, I did not get this from Damsel in Defense, but I hope they come up with one. Maybe they have one, but I've just been so inactive with my membership. I don't know if I'm even still paying for my Damsel. $10 a month. I signed up to automatically do that. Well, at one time for my LA account, and I have totally neglected it. Oh boy, it's just, what can I say? So, that is my, and it's taped up, messed up here at the button, but it's still working. And this part, this end part, is supposed to be useful if I need to break out a window. Bam, bam, bam. Okie dokie. So, let me work on these and tether them all up. Thank you for watching. I'll be back, God willing. Over and out for now.